Tired of your PNGs clashing with your designs? Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and easily change those colors. First, open your PNG image in Illustrator. You'll probably notice it's a single layer. Then, select the image. If your PNG has multiple colors and is rasterized, you might need to use the Live Paint Bucket tool. This is the most versatile method. Now, select the Live Paint Bucket tool from the toolbar. Usually hidden under the Shape Builder tool, click on the color chips at the bottom of the toolbar to choose a new color to paint the PNG with, or use the color panel for more options. Hover over a section of the image you wish to recolor, and click the selected area. Now changes to your chosen color. Keep in mind, depending on the design of the PNG, you may have to repeat this process on multiple sections to get the desired look. Another method, if your image is more simple, is to use Image Trace. Select your PNG, go to Object, then Image Trace, then Make, then go to Object and then Expand. Use the Direct Selection tool or the Lasso tool to select parts of the image and change the color. Using these tools in Illustrator is how you can fine-tune the colors in your PNGs and match them perfectly to your design, giving a more professional look. Remember to experiment and get creative. Don't forget to save your work.